Hi, everyone. Happy Read Across America Week. I'm here with the Primus Reading Team, and we're going to share a book with you called Help Wanted, Must Love Books, written by Janet Johnson, art by Courtney Dawson, and this book is brought to us by Mackin via ebooks. Help Wanted, Must Love Books. Unlike most kids, Shaylee loved bedtime. She'd shimmy into her PJs, brush her sparkling teeth, and then raid the bookshelf for the perfect bedtime stories. Her dad would squish into the rocker with her, and they'd read until her eyelids refused to stay open. This arrangement worked perfectly until her dad got a new job.
Finally, Shaylee reached her limit. "You're fired," she announced. She put up a job notice first thing the next morning. Help wanted. Bedtime storyteller. Must love books. Apply within. Interviews begin promptly at 6:30 p.m. M began interviews shortly before bedtime. The fierce competition scared off the first 3 applicants. The next applicant brought along her 7 bodyguards, which was fine until Shaylee offered them snacks. "Don't eat that. It's the wicked queen in disguise." Shaylee refused to interview any other applicants that night.
Before going to bed, she added a line to her job notice. Help wanted, bedtime storyteller. Must love books. Apply within. Individual applicants only. Interviews begin promptly at 6:30 p.m. The next night, the first applicant seemed delightful until he ran away with the book. Shaylee refused to come out from under the bed to interview applicant number 2. In the morning, Shaylee changed her sign again. Help wanted. Bedtime storyteller. Must love books. Apply within. Individual applicants only. Human applicants only. Interviews begin promptly at 6:30 p.m. At the next interview, Shaylee's ears pricked right up. The applicant could spin tales that kept her on pins and needles. She was just about to offer the job when the woman zonked out mid-sentence. Second girl was very particular about where she would sit.
Help wanted. Bedtime storyteller. Must love books. Apply within. Individual applicants only. Human applicants only. Must be able to stay awake past 8 p.m. Interviews begin promptly at 6:30 p.m. Shaylee had low expectations for the next round, but the first applicant had a very impressive resume. Her voice was musical. She could stay up past midnight, and she was obviously human. The two of them had a ball until Shaylee noticed the sooty footprints all over her favorite book. The second applicant hooked her right away. His storytelling gave her goosebumps, as did the gunk beneath his teeth. Help wanted. Bedtime storyteller. Must love books. Apply within. Individual applicants only. Human applicants only. Must be able to stay awake past 8 p.m. Solid hygiene skills required. Interviews begin promptly at 6:30 p.m. Shaylee despaired of ever finding a replacement for her dad. Until one final job seeker showed up. He looked kind of familiar, and his voice was just right. Best of all, he smelled like strawberries and chocolate chip cookies. So Shaylee offered him the job. If you want to read more, please visit Mackin online and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.